Yo YouTube, what's up? It's Triple P. How you guys doing? This is going to be part two of a three-part series where I discuss geocaching resources for your geocaching career. In this video, guys, we're going to dive into mygeocachingprofile.com and do a tutorial on how to use the website. Here we go. Okay, guys, so the first thing that you want to do in order to use the mygeocachingprofile.com webpage is you want to go to play, and then you're going to go to pocket queries, because what the website's going to do is it's going to generate statistics for you. You're going to scroll down right here to where it says my finds, and then you're going to click on add to queue. What will happen from here is it will send it to your email in a zip folder, and I'll show you how to access the zip folder and upload it to the website. Okay guys, once you go to your email, you're going to open up the email and you'll see that the My Finds pocket query is ready to go. All you have to do is click on download now, and the zip file will come and it will be located down at the bottom of your web browser. From there, what's going to happen is we're going to take it and we're going to go to mygeocachingprofile.com and we're going to upload it to the website. Okay, so once you're at mygeocachingprofile.com, all you have to do is click on sign in, because what it does is it syncs with your geocaching account. So you want to click on upload my finds pocket query. From there, you're going to scroll down and you want to go to option number 2, which is hit choose file. Now you've already downloaded the file, so all you have to do is find out where it is on your computer, click on it, hit open. And then you're going to hit upload. Once it's at 100%, it will start doing its own thing and building its way through the up to 100%. Okay guys, once you see that it has reached 100% of the zip file being extracted, you're going to click on build my profile. Alright, from there it's going to give you all sorts of statistics that you could ever want. It will also give you US maps and it will give you other maps. We're only going to focus on just a few because it would take quite a while to go through each one of these individually. I think one of the biggest things that people try to do in geocaching is to complete their Jasmer challenge, so let's go ahead and look at mine. Basically, the Jasmer challenge is finding a geocache placed from the first day geocaching started in May 2000 all the way to the current month of December 2019. Once your grid is completely full, you have completed your Jasmer challenge, and that actually allows you to log any sort of Jasmer challenge pretty much in any state. Okay, what other cool things can this website do for you? So you can go into your most well-rounded days, which gives you, how many different types, different containers, different difficulty terrains have you found in a single day. Okay, other really cool things that you can do that are on this website is you can check out the maps section, and what it will do is it will give you a map of every state that you've ever cached in, and as you can see, I need 4 more states to complete my 50 states, and if you scroll down a little further, it provides you with every county in the United States, and anything that is red is a county where you have found a geocache in. If you're looking to get specific and view a county map based on the state that you lived in, so I can click on Ohio and it will take me right to the Ohio map. And then below that, it talks about or provides you with the number of caches that you have found in every single county in the state of Ohio. And it does this for all 50 states in the United States, which is really cool, and it's a great feature. Okay, so I want to dive into the unique features on this website that are different from the statistics that you can find on geocaching.com's website. I think one of the things that we're going to look at is the birthday challenge progress, where a birthday cache is basically if it's published on February 23rd, 2011, and you go out and find it on February 23rd, 2020, you get a spot right here on your grid under February and then 23rd, and it would become, filled in, and it would say you have found 1 cache. Other things that are unique to this website are the cache owners of my finds, and it gives you a breakdown of the number of finds you have by specific cache owners. Geocaching.com doesn't provide that. It gives you the alphanumeric rundown, which is basically finding a cache 0 through 9 and then A through Z. And the title has to have the number in it, and then with that number, or it has to have, the title has to start with the letter A in it. Other things that this page does is the alphanumeric cacher challenge, which is different than the alphanumeric cache name challenge. They're not quite the same. Basically what it is this is the cache owner. So 007 is the cache owner of Riverside Sports, and 6 Serious Clowns is the owner of Second Time's a Charm. So that starts with the number 6. The cache owner's name starts with the number 6. So you get credit for that. Other really cool things that you can get are your badges, Geo Achievement badges, which are located on this page. And you get different numbers of stars based on the number of achievements that you have done in geocaching. And every time you meet an achievement, and you update your MyFinds Pocket Quarry, this stuff updates itself once you update the zip file. Okay, the last thing I want to touch base on is the preview and export my profile. So basically, if you take this HTML code right here and you highlight the whole thing and you copy it, you can take this computer code over to geocaching.com and you can publish it in your profile. And what it will look like once you're done with all that, it will look like the preview right here on the page. It gives you everything that you could want, that you could ever imagine, available through this website that is now available to anybody that views your profile on geocaching.com. They can see all the statistics right here that you have in front of you, but now it's on the geocaching.com website under your profile name. Alright guys, this seems like a great place to wrap up this video. If you made it to the end, congratulations. This was a really long video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Social media links are in the description. I'll see you guys out on the trail. Have a good one.